Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Jobs for Living. Today we are going to discuss about some new opportunities in India. ThinkBomb Technologies is hiring business analyst with 3 to 8 years of experience for their Kochi, Chennai or Trivandrum location. You can send your resume to careers@thinkbomb.com. Trace and Code Technologies is hiring PHP WordPress developer who have an experience of 2 to 3 years. You can send your resume to jobs@traceandcode.com. MindSU is hiring senior salesforce developers. You can send your resume to hr@mindscloud.com. Sources is hiring auto developer with a minimum 1 year of experience for their Trivandrum and Bangalore location. You can send your resume to careers@sigbeglobal.com. Qbust is still hiring for multiple positions for their multiple locations. Even remote work option is also available. Actually, I have discussed these opportunities earlier in one of my videos. So let me read out the positions available. They are hiring node.js developer, Angular developer, React developer, Java developer, .NET, Salesforce developer, Python, ROR, Golang developer, PHP developer, and React Native developer, and an Android developer, an iOS developer, HTML/CSS, and DevOps engineer, a big data engineer, a technical project manager, and a QA. Check www.qbust.com and apply through their website. ThinkBomb Technologies is also hiring a Golang developer for their Cochin location. They are hiring an experienced candidate with 5+ years of experience. You can send your resume to careers@thinkbomb.com. Zoo India is hiring experienced iOS developer, Flutter developer, Angular developer, and an Android developer, PHP developer, and a Python developer. You can send your resume to recruit@zooindia.in or careers@zooindia.in. Technopark is hiring senior legal executive with minimum 2 years post-qualification experience as practicing advocates in district or high court. You can apply through www.technopark.org/careers. iOS is hiring senior PHP developer with 3+ years of experience and a video editor with 1+ years of experience and a React Native developer with 1+ years of experience. You can send your resume to hr@ioss.in. ThinkBomb Technologies is hiring senior manual test engineer with 4+ years of experience. You can send your resume to careers@thinkbomb.com. Baker Hughes is hiring senior software engineer, a Java developer with 4 to 12 years of experience, and a staff or a senior UX interaction designer with 4 to 12 years of experience for their Kochi and Mumbai locations. And they are hiring C++, .NET Core engineer, a WEPF and Angular developer with 4 to 8 years of experience for their Kochi location, and a senior technical writer with 8 to 12 years of experience for their Kochi location. You can apply through careers.bakerhughes.com/global/en. Please like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icons for more job updates.